Hey everybody, it's Gordon with a weekend tip for you. If you're using a two-part epoxy to make your repairs, pay attention to the manufacturer's directions, right? Goes without saying, but in the case where we're using a resin and a hardener, you might be tempted to add more hardener thinking more hardener is more better or more faster. It's gonna get me there. And the fact is, it's the opposite, right? More hardener is more problems. So don't do it, just follow the directions. Second, pay attention to the mix ratio, because the manufacturers sometimes will offer two options. You can mix by volume and mix by weight. Another thing is, if you're mixing your epoxy, now is not the time to be thinking about work holding. You should have already had that covered before you even open the bottle.